Good morning. My name is Malik Muhammad Daniyal Ahmed, and today I'll be presenting my Power BI dashboard for the logistic relationship dataset. This project uses 5 datasets: warehouse, shipments, tracking events, customers, and carriers, each with complicated data, and they are connected through relationships. Uh, every table has a one-to-many relationship with the other table, and they are and to expand them and to view the relationship between the tables, we can just expand this and edit relationships or view the relationships. This shows that it's connected from shipment table to carrier table, and the cardinality is many to one. Similarly, we can click on other relationships and view additional information from those relationships. This is the overall model view for the CSV files that we uploaded. We can also view the tables from the sidebar data table, data view, and moving on, we are going to jump to dashboards that we created as visuals from this data. We actually created 4 pages. The first page shows the shipment dashboard. Uh, I started by developing this data using a star schema approach. The shipment table acts as a central fact, while carriers, customers, and warehouses are the dimension tables. The shipment dashboard shows different visuals for total shipments by destination city. This is a horizontal bar graph, the sum of shipping cost by return status, uh, and this shows the return status. Total shipments by carrier name. All these carrier names are listed, and there is a graph for in the pie chart for that as well. The total shipment cost by the total shipments by origin city, total shipments by event city, and average delivery time by carrier days by carrier name. To visualize the data in depth, we can actually click on any of these carrier names and see the reflecting data based on those carriers. For example, if we go to FedEx, the dark blue color, all these bars are updated to actually show the data that the FedEx is connected with. For example, in Townsville, the destination city, there are total shipments of 196 and highlighted shipments of 54. Similarly, sum of shipping costs by return status shows that it's split up by yes or no, and it shows the return status. And if there are no return status on these orders or these shipments, and then there is this return status that's reflected by yes. Uh, and it also reflects the sum of shipping cost and the highlighted value. On this bar graph, horizontal bar graph, shows the total shipments by origin city for FedEx. Similarly, this bar graph shows by event city, so it's all filtered based on the origin city, event city, and by carrier name. We can jump onto other carriers and see their reflective data respectively. The cards display the sum of number of packages and the sum of shipping costs based on these carriers. And they switch when we jump onto different carriers. These shows the total shipment of these carriers. For example, FedEx has 900 total shipments and 121 have been delayed. The second page shows the shipment operation and delivery insight. This is a line graph that represents total shipment by delivery status. The total shipment by delivery status are also shown by a bar graph. And then we also have this scatter chart that shows the sum of distance per kilometer. Uh, on page 3, we have shipping costs that represent the shipping cost based on transport mode and the shipping cost versus distance. And each bar with the color represents sum of shipping cost per in AGD and sum of distance. So this is the distance graph, this is the distance bar, and this is the shipping cost bar. And this shows the transport mode, either it's air, road, or sea. Page 4 represents customer orders. We have 3 slicers added: transport mode, warehouse name, carrier name, and this represents or reflects the data based on these slicers. For example, one thing that we analyzed from this data was FedEx only does air and road transport mode. It doesn't have the sea transport mode. It reflects the total shipments based on FedEx, and the total costs and additional information as well. Also, we realized that the total shipments of FedEx are the highest compared to the other carriers. For example, this Star Trek shows 382 shipments, but when we see FedEx, they have the maximum number of shippings. Uh, this this actually shows the data, the dashboard, with respect to the files that have been shared to us. In conclusion, this dashboard successfully demonstrates how Power BI can be used to analyze and visualize logistics data effectively. Uh, Overall, this project highlights the importance of data visualization in supporting better decisions making in logistics and supply chain operations, which help business understand the in depth. Thank you.